Hi, we're Datz Press, and this is our virtual studio tour. Come on in. Datz Press is a community of photographers, designers, and bookmakers. Today we'll be showing you our bookmaking studio and book project space, the Darkroom. So once you come in here, first you'll see a display of sample books and past publications from Datz. Artists can come and find inspiration for their new publications. And this is our studio. We have our digital Xerox printers. And our managing director, Chu Young, right now is going over Brian Austin's Sun Water Being special edition box. Can you show us a few pages?
Okay.
And this special edition box also comes with a print, an original print, with a wooden frame. Thank you. Here you can also see our collection of digital Xerox papers, varying in color, texture, weight, and finish. And this is Chungye. Hi.
Hi.
She is putting together Barbara Bosworth's Behold accordion book. As you can see, all our books are handmade. Over here we have a manual hardcover easel, as well as a perfect binding machine next to our mechanical cutter, and our book presses. We also have ink and hot foil letter presses. And this is Yu Yan on our hot foil letter press right now.
Hi.
Hi. She is test stamping our diaries. We also have samples for artists to come and see the different colors and finishes that they'll get on different backgrounds. And different foils available. If you follow us here, this is our design and editing room. Currently, our director Sang Hyun-ju and designer Young-hae Kim is editing. Hi.
Hi.
Can you tell us a little bit about what you're doing?
We're doing a sequencing process of dye and pierce. This is our next project.
Wow. Hi. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next is our archive room. So this is a part of the Darkroom. The Darkroom is short for Datz Archive Room. We house over 2,000 different photo books from all over the world, as well as a small curated collection of documentaries and magazines focused on photography. Come here. This is our darkroom area that functions as a cafe, gallery, event space, and a bookstore. Here you can find our own Datz publications as well as other selected photo books. Currently, we have Linda Connor's ornaments on display. It was a part of our Datz Collector's Book series. And this is our Darkroom project manager and artist, Min-Young Kim. Hi! And in the center of it, we still have Linda's Christmas tree, showcasing all the ornaments that she's collected over the past 50 years. And on top, we have the ornaments book. And you can also find other Datz publications here. And that concludes our virtual tour. Thank you.